How are you? In this video, I am going to teach you the usage of future tense. How to use future tense in English to make phrase, to express yourself with other people. English is really important. And my dream is helping you to speak English better, faster, and easier. This is all my dream. But before, I want to tell you welcome to my channel, English with JL. This is your class. Keep subscribing. And I want to say again hello to all my subscribers. I greet you. How are you? Well, keep subscribing, keep leaving a comment, keep telling me exactly how do you feel and what do you need me to change for you, because this is your class. Now let's see first, how do we form future tense? So future tense is formed by taking away from the first form of the verb, by taking away to, and after adding the I, and after will or shall, I'm gonna explain you later, will and plus the verb, and then now we have future tense. But I can say that will is the sign that show that we are in future. That we have the personal pronouns and after will plus the verb. Plus the following verb. For example, let me say that I will go to school later. I will go to school later. I will go to school later. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. In this case that we have I, which is me, plus will, and after that we have the verb see, and after you see the time marker, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow fixes exactly when I am going to see maybe the friend or the person. So now let's see a little different that we have between will and shall in English. So will and shall, so they are exactly the signs of future. As you can see, we have will is more useful than shall. Or as you can see, people use will more than shall. Let's see the time markers of future tense now. The time markers of future tense is exactly tomorrow, later, next week, next month, next year. We can say in days, in a week, in months. Remember I said to you that the time markers they let you to know exactly to distinguish in which tense that the person is expressing himself or herself in English. Let me say that in any different language, I think this is really important, right? Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we are working for you. We oblige ourselves to let you be happy, to learn English, to enjoy learning English, in enjoying learning English.